Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Bex QB. So we are we are again here in the mountain because it's a death anniversary of my brother, July 28. Unsa dong July 28, 2024. So it's his 8 years death anniversary, guys. Look at the pit of Dongi. Kiwi. Oh. Sige, go. Ikaw lakaw dito ka. Sige, dali. Atong pala kun si Kiwi. Kiwi, dali. Come here. That's the pit of Dongi, guys. Si Kiwi. Come here, Kiwi. We arrived already around 8 in the morning. So, yeah. It's Sunday today. And we will go to cemetery later, guys. Come here na. Yeah. The house of my cousin. They already harvest the corn, guys. Over there. It's good weather today. There's a coconut here. It's good weather. Dali na dungi. That's heavy hair pet, guys. A roster. Heavy? Heavy si Kiwi? Huh? Heavy? This is so heavy si Kiwi. So, there's a coconut here. There's a coconut over there. Nag-harvest silang coconut, guys. Hoy, pagbantay day, nay karabaw day. They already harvest. Oh, the cow is there. Magbantay sa karabaw kay makuanan ta. They already harvest the corn this side. Yeah. Pas dagan. Dagan.
Bye-bye. Kiwi sakya.
Hi, karabaw. Oh. So nagbaro na sila diri, guys. Look at that. It's very quiet. Oh, nag-harvest na sila coconut. Hala na dara mga bisita dara, guys. Nag-ansa na sila. Uy, where? It's so sunny day. Init kayo na, init. Very init. Yan si Dodoy. Hala, giputo lagi ng luboy diha.
Gihaligi sa kwarto.
Hala. Very init. Hala, daghana nagbunga sa santol. What's up, guys? What's up? Hala, ang corn. Hala, puti ditong mais, ma. Chantal, bliss. Bliss. Very good. Daghan kay bunga na hinog na ang si father, guys. Unsa ka pa? Nagkuan mo, harvest mo? Paitan? Wow, paitan, guys. Oh. Fish. Hala. Daghan na kayong hinog ang santol.
Butan dito ba?
Ayo. Uy.
Dahil butan dito ba?
Uy, ano, nasirado naman ni Dere. What's happening? What's happening in the world? Wow! Naglubo na sila! Puti din na, Mads? Haladine. Hello, mga kuan oh. Mga farmer oh. Uy, pablis ni Lula hoy.
Wala na ako regalo nila.
Wala nindot ni kay puti. Nganong wala man gakaw anago na ni ma? Uy, kisa ka kaya ti Dongi?
Wala pa na lang.
Ati Dongi.
Wala pa sleep.
Very good.
Lula na din.
Ayan si sa Rosel. Wow, daghan na sa mais.
Nice, ang lugan na yun.
Charot.
Malibang ginagawa diha.
Charot, charot. Hala, di ari ra ninyo gikuon ng ko. Kwarto. Asa man ang mga dalagingging. Nahubas na agkuan? Yan. Yung yellow corn that time guys. Pabo. Lagi-lain lagi itong rabbit dito. Banak yung gansa eh. Banat, sinuhulan. Banat, sinuhulan. Oh, gusto mo na mga smoker dira. Mga smoker. Niya kani, pwede man isugnod. Nawa pagod ng mais, guys. Yes, Maria, guys. Nga nung diri po mo gapaaso. Oh, di na sigarilyo. Kuan na siya. Look at that. Si Maria. Maria. Let's check the chicken nest over there. Oh, hello. Yeah. So the turkey, chicken, and rabbit is here, guys. Hi, rabbit. Wow, very good. White rabbit. White rabbit. That one is from Madam Chop. This one is from the neighbor. The black one is... Hi, turkey. Asa naman ang eggs sa turkey? So, that's the chicken nest. Oh, no eggs, guys. Oh my God. They're not giving eggs. Let's check here. No eggs. Oh. Here. No eggs. Yan. Mga chicken. There are transfer here. Look at that. Before, that's the other side, guys. So, father decided to transfer here. And this one is the net. Ta-da! So, that's their house. They can roaming around here. That's ready for adobo. Adobo! Chicken adobo. Oh, we will see here. There's another nest. Hello! Oh my God! Sorry! Oh, you're laying here but you don't have eggs. What did you do? You're sleeping. No eggs. Yeah, they don't give eggs, guys. No eggs for today. Ayan, si Dongy now. Dongy na. Let's check the pig. Ay, compost pit diha. Para na siya sa mga malata. Hi guys.
Hi guys. Good morning.
Ayan. So, we put a compost pit. Plastic man eh. Oh no. I thought it's biodegradable. It's non-biodegradable. Hi pig. Hello. Ayan, black and white. Already getting big. This one. Hello. Oh, may mga eatards. Eatards. They're already big. Where is the peanut here? Oh, where's the peanut? Look at that. Hagbong ang santol, guys. Santol fruit. It's a santol fruit season. August. Yeah. Ta-da! Oh, so many falling. Let's check the fish. It's good weather today. It's so sunny. Nice weather. Yeah. Oh, it's nice to build a house this side. Look, there's a santol, guys. Santol tree. It's nice here. It's quiet, but there's a pig. It's stinky. Let's check the fish. Look at the stairs. Oh, they're just putting this one because I told to have steps. You know, my mother's already getting older and need to have stairs. Look at the fish. It's already big. Puro biyag. Oh, putting mosquito. Look at the tilapia. Did you see that? It's already big. Ta-da. Look at the fish. Tilapia fish. Ayan ang tilapia fish. That's loading ko. Palaw. Yan ang palaw, guys. My grandmother planting that long time ago. 100 years ago. Look at that. It's getting bigger. Pwede na siya kainin, guys. Ano akong cheese nut, guys. Look at that. Dako na.
Pader, nakuha na nako, pader. Nakuha na nako ang imong balagto.
Taran ang cheese. Ang tawang. Sa akong tambis. Aroyan mo ginawang kalag na wheel sa purgatorio. It's raining, guys. May typhoon. 11 a.m. up the welcome guys. And so we're done the praying. Hoy, what you doing? Wow.
Bata, hindi na kuhabog ko tayo ng pagkala, Roy.
Chicken.
Ano po?
Chicken, chicken. Po, kinsay nagkuanog sako diri. Andi ari nay naglubong di ari. Nay naglubong no.
Ha?
Kawa na tabunan na kay kabong Noel oh. Death anniversary. Oh, nice. Let's see na eh. Cemetery in the Philippines. Natabunan og sagot.